Everyone wants to earn money from YouTube. When it comes to making long videos, creators often get stuck. They don't know scripting or research, they don't know voiceover editing, and they don't even want to show their faces. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you a method that doesn't require any of these things. An AI will do all this work for us. And the best part is, you won't have to pay a single penny. And you can create videos as long as you want. Before continuing in the video, watch an example I created myself.
In a small village there lived a poor boy named Raghav. His father worked as a farm laborer and his mother worked as a domestic help. The family had very little money, but Raghav had big dreams. Every day after school he would sit on the riverbank and study because there was no electricity at home. One day a school competition was held in the village where the children had to make models. Raghav had neither paint nor paper, but he didn't give up. He collected cardboard, broken plastic, and clay from the village garbage and created a model of a windmill. Everyone thought his model wouldn't be good. But when Raghav explained that this windmill could bring electricity to the village, everyone was astonished. His model won first prize, earning him the opportunity to study in a prestigious city school. Raghav continued to work hard, and a few years later he became an engineer and began implementing affordable electricity projects in his village.
Now, to create videos like the one you just watched, we first need a story. For a story, we're going to use a ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, you simply type in whatever type of story you want. For example, I want a story about a poor boy, so I'll simply type in a short story about a poor boy in 2 Hindi versions. Now you can see that ChatGPT has generated an amazing story. Guys, I'm creating a short story to explain. Whenever you create videos, make sure to create it at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now, once your story is generated, simply copy and paste it into your mobile's notes to save the story. After the story, we need to generate the image prompts through which we will generate our images. Simply type OK here. Scene by scene image prompts for this story, and the characters should be consistent across all prompts. Now, you can see that the ChatGPT has started generating image prompts related to your story. You need to keep one thing in mind here. If you want an image in a specific style, for example, Ghibli style, you'll need to type Ghibli style or human style. After the image prompts are generated, copy and paste them into notes. Now you need to generate images from all these prompts. Simply copy your first image, print, and search for GK directly on Google. Open the first website and log in using your email. I'm already logged in using your email. Then click here and tap on Image In. Select the image's aspect ratio. Then click on Image. Paste your image print here. Click on this arrow and in a few seconds, unlimited images will be generated. Tap and hold on the image you like and download it from here. Follow these simple steps to generate images from all the image prints. Now the video you've seen so far was just a trailer. The real game is about to begin. So please don't skip the video, as one mistake will ruin the entire game. Now we need to convert all the images we've generated into videos. To convert image to video, tap on it again and select the video. Then click on it and select the image. As soon as your image is imported into Grok AI, it will automatically begin converting to video. However, don't worry about that. After the first image is imported, copy and paste your first image prompt here. Grok AI will then begin converting the image to video according to your prompt. Once the video is ready, download it from here. Follow the same process to convert all the images to video. Now start with the story we generated. Now convert this story to a voice. To do this, go to Google again. Search for Google AI Studio. Open the first website and tap here. After that, tap on single speaker audio and tap here. You'll find several voice versions here. Simply select the one you like best. Now copy your story and paste it here. Click on it and your voice will be ready in a few seconds. Click on these 3 dots to download your voice. Now our last and most important step is editing. I'm going to use VN for editing. You can also use CapCut if you prefer. But before using CPKT, connect to any VPN. Then you can use CapCut. I'm gonna edit with VN, so I don't need any VPN. I'll simply open a direct VPN, then tap on New Project and convert my images to video. Select all the videos and import them. After importing, select the aspect ratio as 16:9. Now, adjust all the videos. Now, we need to import the voice we generated. To do this, click here and tap on Music. Then click My Music and import your voice from your music library. After importing the voice, adjust the speed of all videos according to your audio, not AO. Now, our video creation is almost complete. To make the video even cooler, we'll add transitions between videos. Now, click plus here. After clicking plus, you'll see several transitions. Select the one you like and adjust the duration from there. Similarly, add transitions to all videos. Now, after the transitions are added, tap manual here. Then set it to 4K and export it. Now your video is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Friends, there are thousands of creators like you who use AI to create movie recap shows and earn lakhs of rupees every month. If you also want to earn money on YouTube by creating movie recaps using an AI, then in this video, I've provided a proper guide on how to create movie recaps using AI. So please click on this video, you'll find them there.